I studied and I gave almost 1,000 to 2,000 MCQs, and I appeared for all the mock exams. So I would, suggest or advise future students to, you know, solve the mock tests, give the exams, and solve all the MCQs, as many as possible. I'm Padmashree. I'm currently working as an associate with one of the leading investment banking. Prior to this, I was associated with other MNCs. I have completed my CMA with Miles Education. Currently, I'm as well pursuing ACCA, and I have more than about 5 years of experience. The lectures were really good. Varun sir, of course, he explains things very nicely, and it's like on point. Like, you require this much. This is how it is, and it was very clear in terms of what exactly do we need for exams, and that helped really well. CMA matlab miles.